國際消息來看，美國俄亥俄州一場社區熱人的慶典發生槍擊案，造成至少12個人受傷，目前警方還在抓人。
俄亥俄州北部托雷多市初六舉辦的舊西區藝術節活動尾仔時，傳出連續槍聲，社群媒體流傳幾啊段現場的影像，顯示民眾驚嚇四過走。街路有線路的舊的冰桶甲殘軀，12名受傷的人互緊急送醫。
Yeah, it was a horrible sight. I walk over to see it, and I'm thinking like anybody need help, and it was quite a few people that need help.
So I thought it was a safe place. I was literally just telling him this earlier. And to see random people getting shot is crazy.
警方表示，目前代志發生的現場已經安全，受害者年紀為14歲，從少年到61歲長者攏有，好佳在有假攏會當保住性命。目前調查工作也在進行，警方當積極搜捕一到幾啊名的涉案嫌犯，也呼籲民眾檢視家己手機啊錄到的影片，還是監視畫片，向警方提供線索。
Officers were quick to respond. They were right there when the shots were coming out. Appears as though there was at least 2 shooters. I think they were probably shooting at each other. Ended up happening was 12 people were struck with bullets. That's what we have right now. 2 of them critical.
這個事件也是美國今年發生的第170件4個人以上受傷的大規模槍擊案。俄亥俄州長李懷恩發表聲明，對應該是安全合家同樂的夏日慶典發生暴力事件感覺煩惱。公視新聞是非常編譯。